Welcome to BVG Automotive. Here we present you the black 2-liter diesel Volkswagen TIGUAN in automatic. This car is offering some great features including automatic headlamp activation with separate daytime running lights, LED headlights with dynamic light assist, 20-inch Suzuka alloy wheels. The TIGUAN comes with exterior R-line body kit, electric door mirrors, front and rear electric windows, with 65% tinted windows for added privacy, and silver anodized roof rails. Walking you to the back and around the car, we have 3D effect cherry red LED rear tail lights, chrome dual exhaust pipe, chrome exterior rear bumpers and side skirts, front and rear parking sensors, reverse camera with park and lane assist, silver underbody guard and rear diffuser. This Volkswagen has 77,500 miles on the clock and has had 3 owners from new. Visiting the interior, the SUV offers you front and rear side armrest integrated into the door trim, 8 loudspeakers with 8-inch color touchscreen with Net App Connect and center storage compartment, heated front seats, 3-spoke multifunction leather-trimmed steering wheel. Additionally, you have Bluetooth, DAB radio, adaptive cruise control, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and start and stop. This car is also HPI clear and comes with full service history and 12 months MOT. The rear seats have ISOFIX anchors for the 2 outer seats and a 40-20-40 split folding backrest. Looking above, you'll see the sliding glass panoramic sunroof for extra light. This SUV also has spacious storage compartment at rear with load space cover and a removable luggage compartment cover. More information available at bvgautomotive.co.uk or give us a call on 0161 399 1629, referencing registration YH17LUA.